Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing and review of MAC India collaboration with Shreya Jain. They've come out with 3 beautiful limited edition festive kits: Lal Ishq, Desi Girl and Tere Naina. Tere Naina is what I picked up. I have been following their sneak peeks and teasers on Instagram by both MAC Cosmetics India and Shreya Jain, and this was my favorite out of the 3. All 3 are really beautiful kits. I personally love Shreya's makeup videos and lookbooks. Her videos are so creative and original. I really am very happy MAC Cosmetics India collaborated with Shreya Jain. It truly is a very happy, exciting and proud moment. This is what the outer packaging looks like. It's such a pretty, beautiful festive green and gold combo, and Shreya Jain looks so gorgeous on the cover. This is what the kit contains. It has 2 full-size products and a sample product. It is priced at 1900 Indian rupees. That is a steal because a MAC lipstick costs 1700. So 200 rupees extra, you get an entire kit with 2 full-size products and a sample product. Really, that's so sweet of you, Shreya. This kit contains a lip product, an eye product and a bit of glow for your base makeup. So it covers your entire face, and that's precisely the reason why I picked up this particular one. The MAC lipstick full size in the shade Soar. This is what Soar looks like. This is a very popular shade and a very pretty one too. This is a neutral, cool toned shade. This will, in my personal opinion, go on very well with all skin tones. It might look different on different skin tones. On me, it looks like a very beautiful neutral shade. On some, it might just look like a very pretty MLBB shade. Also, the festive season involves us wearing very bright colors, so when you have a neutral lip shade, that really is going to enhance the overall look. Now the finish of this lipstick is matte, but it will not dry out your lips. It has a very creamy finish to it, but does not have any shine either. This is the strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. You really don't need much of this. This is a sample size. I personally will not apply it for my entire face. I would only use it to highlight my cheekbones and my forehead. And yeah, you can apply it on your shoulders and body as well. You can either apply it before or after your foundation and your concealer. This really is going to give you that festive glow for your makeup. This is the MAC full size Technicolor liner in the shade Graph Black. It really is very pigmented, and this is something I would use on an everyday basis, and I'm sure this is the first product I'm going to finish up in this kit. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and found this unboxing and review video really useful. And if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. Which was your favorite kit? Do let me know.